Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Getting right into this recipe, here are the ingredients that I am using today. I'm sauteing my onions in some coconut oil, adding in my chicken pieces. Here you see me adding in my garlic and my ginger. Here I'm adding in some coriander. Adding in my coconut milk here. And my red curry paste, 1 teaspoon. I'm adding in a little bit of salt and pepper. I did taste and decided that I wanted to add in another teaspoon of the red curry paste. Bringing my mixture to a simmer, I'm now adding in my carrots, tomatoes, and my spinach. Here you see me adding in some lime juice. I started out using only 1/2 of the lime because I don't want to overdo it, so I'm tasting here to see if I need to add the other portion of the lime. I decided to go ahead and do that. And to complement the lime juice, I'm going to add in a little bit of brown sugar. Lastly, I'm adding in my sweet peas, or new peas, some may call it. And this is it, guys. This recipe is quick and easy and can be done in no time at all. So it works for a weeknight meal after you get off work, something easy that you want to go into the kitchen and do that won't take up too much of your time. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do like it. That way more viewers can see it. Again, thanks for hanging out, and shalom.